Welcome to Quick Learning. In this session we are going to learn what are the pointers in C++, what are their use, and how we can understand the concepts of pointers in C++. So what is a pointer? A pointer is used to access array elements. It is used to pass arguments to a function. It is used to pass arrays and strings to a function. It gets the memory from the system and it creates the data structures like linked lists, etc. So these are the common uses of pointers. So here you can see this is the memory of the system where we have a program that is running in this range, and in this range we have integers, characters, float type, variables, integers, etc. And this is the address of these variables. So what you can do, how you can get the address of an operator? You can run this program. You have three variables or constants of integer type, one vr1, vr2, vr3. These are the values. When you will write COUT with address signal of var1, it will show the address of that variable. Similarly for vr2, vr3, it has returned the address, that is ff4, ff2 and ff0. These are the addresses of these integers. So what are the pointer variables? The variables that hold address values are called the pointer variables. So similarly these addresses are stored, and that variable which saves or stores the addresses is called the address variable or pointer variables. So we see another program in which we have two integers vr1, vr2, 11 and 12. When we will write COUT, then their address will be shown when you will run the program. Coming down, you will see we have defined a pointer with the star asterisk before the name, and that pointer is linked to the address of vr1. When you will ask to COUT PTR, it will show us the address of vr1. Similarly, then the PTR is linked, pointer is linked to address of vr2, and when you will write COUT, it will show the address of that variable 2. So you can see this is a practical example. You have defined a pointer of integer type, you have linked it to the address of one variable, and when you will run COUT, it will show you the address ff4 of that variable. So you can define pointer variables in different way, like it can be character type, or it can be integer type, it can be float type, it can be distance type. Similarly, you can define any type of pointer based upon its use. Let's see another program. We have two integers, we have defined a pointer, and the pointers are linked to the address of the variable, the integers, and it will show us the address. So similarly, you can see this is the practical implementation of the program, and it will show us the address of these integers. So for today, that's it. For next session, we will go into the other details of the pointers in C++. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.